Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name's Artie with CoinCasso, and this is Bitcoin Today, a show where we talk about everything cryptocurrency to keep you guys up to date and informed on all things happening in the crypto industry. In today's episode, Ripple breaks its sales slump with $33 million worth of crypto bought in Q2. And XRP's price gains 40% in the last week, but can it continue to 50 cents? We're also going to do a deep dive technical analysis into Ripple and my thoughts on XRP, as well as the top cryptocurrency prices. So if you haven't noticed, today's episode is all about Ripple. Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, August 4th. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate every single one of you guys that subscribes to this channel, that likes these videos. Massive growth in the last month, over 3,000 new subscribers to this channel. So thank you. You're the only reason I can continue doing what I'm doing. And if you're new here and you like what you see in this video, consider subscribing down below and ticking the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new one. And as always, the show is sponsored by the CoinCasso Cryptocurrency Exchange, the official partner of Paris Saint-Germain. So if you're looking for a place to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies, or if you're just looking for a different exchange to play around with, check out CoinCasso in the link in the description below. All right, let's jump into these prices. Bitcoin is currently sitting at $11,290, up 1.2% from yesterday. Ethereum up 3% from yesterday at $392.29. Cardano up 2.3% at 0.1380. Chainlink just going really good right now, $9.45, up 14.07%. And XRP, the star of today's show, up 6.2% at 0.3117. So for those of you who don't know, Ripple is the third ranked cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of 14 billion. Ripple, also known as XRP, is known as the banking coin. They tout secure, instant, and nearly free global financial transactions with no limitation to size and no chargebacks. For those of you that have been watching this channel for some time, you know I'm not the biggest fan of XRP, but I have to talk about it because they've gained 40% in the last week. And you might be asking yourself, well, why doesn't he like XRP since it's the third ranked cryptocurrency? It must be good. Now, I'm not saying anything bad about its functionality. It's a great tool. Being able to transact financially across the entire world, like XRP is the way to go. But as an investment where you're putting money in and buying these tokens or coins or whatever, and then expecting that investment to grow over time where you can actually capitalize off of the profits, this is where I see the flaw in XRP. I don't know 100% why this actually is, but I have my own theories. I think the XRP is actually suppressed by the creators of XRP, the people who own the most amount of XRP, suppressing the price and keeping it low. Let me give you the perfect example right now. This right here is the daily candlestick chart of XRP since the March 12th bottom. Just like every other currency, just like every global market, we hit a bottom on March 12th. Now I'm going to use the Bitcoin halving date as like the midpoint of when most things returned back to the prices that they previously were at, which for those of you who know was around May. XRP went from its lowest price all the way up to 0.11778, which is the equivalent of a 100% gain. So if you invested $1,000, you would have had $2,000. Whereas before the March 12th crash, Ripple actually saw a price of 0.3467. Now let's look at that exact same time range on Bitcoin. Going from its lowest price all the way up to the Bitcoin halving, it had a 164% gain. And it also reached the previous levels that it was before the March 12th bottom. The same exact example with Ethereum, also 160%. Now taking it out even further, looking at the current price versus the bottom price, we're looking at 348% profit on Ethereum, almost doubling what it was previous to the March 12th bottom. Then again, looking at Bitcoin actually being above that price, but not as much as Ethereum, only about 20% higher than the previous highest price. Now, again, looking back at Ripple, it's still not hit its previous highest price. So this huge percentage increase is still behind the rest of the big players in the crypto industry. This shows me price suppression. Even if it trended the exact same, like most cryptocurrencies follow the trend of Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes up, Everything else goes up. The market confidence is there when Bitcoin goes up. So why hasn't XRP grown as much? That's where my price suppression theory comes through. This is why I don't like XRP as an investment. It's just a poor performer when compared to everything else. I'm not saying anything bad about its functionality. I believe that XRP is a very, very good tool. But investment-wise, not so great. And because Ripple XRP has been getting a lot of gains over the last week, they are in the news. So let's jump into some news articles. Ripple snaps XRP sales slump with a $33 million worth of crypto sold in Q2. Ripple said Monday that it sold 32.55 million of its XRP cryptocurrency during Q2 2020, a 1,760% jump over Q1's abysmal sales figures. I wonder why they were abysmal. And at the first sign of XRP sales growth in nearly a year. In its Q2 markets report released Monday, Ripple reports a surge in over-the-counter XRP sales as it reaped the benefits of new liquidity, providing integrations with Telco Swisscom blockchain, swap execution facility Zero Hash, and the crypto bank Signum. Programmatic sales, the third-party trading practice whose mid-Q3 2019 halt contributed to 3 consecutive quarters of falling XRP sales. XRP volume did not fare as well as figures in Q2. Average daily volume fell to 196 million from Q1's 322 million. Total volume by dollar value nearly halved to 17.86 billion from Q1's 29.68 billion. Did you see the length of that article? Like it's hard to write good and like meaningful information about XRP when it's such a poor performer compared to everything else. This next article is titled XRP gains 40% in 1 week, but can it continue to rally to 50 cents? Most markets are rallying since receiving a severe shakeout throughout the weekend, during which the price of Bitcoin fell by $1,400 in minutes below the $11,000 level, liquidating $1 billion worth of futures along the way. However, one of the most reliable coins in recent days has been Ripple's XRP token, as it rallied 40% in the last 7 days and more than 70% from the recent lows towards 30 cents as anticipated in the previous XRP technical analysis. The price of XRP did a support resistance flip at 0.185 on July 19th, after which an apparent breakthrough of the 100 and 200-day moving averages occurred. This breakout resulted in a massive rally towards the 30-cent zone, a surge of more than 70%. Some important levels to watch: breaking through the 100 and 200-day moving averages puts XRP USD in bull territory, and dips should be considered as buying opportunities. Also, given the massive drop on Saturday, the price of XRP tested the support level at 0.245, though more tests of this level aren't out of the picture. The crucial support zones and potential dips for buying are found at 0.2075 and 2125. The next resistance zones after this crucial 30-cent area is found between 46 cents and 50 cents. The rally for XRP will likely pause at these levels. So if you are getting into XRP and you're expecting it to go up there, don't try to aim for that price. Go a little bit below it and cash out, take your profits. I'm going to link this article down below because they give some good, actual good technical analysis showing key resistance and support levels and what they think the price of XRP is going to do. So if you're looking to invest in XRP because of the massive rally that it's on right now, be aware of these crucial levels. Take your profits when necessary. I don't believe in XRP as a long hold scenario, but when things are rallying, I'm down to invest in anything, which is why I quickly want to jump into CoinMarketCap to show you the top percentage gainers in the top 100 cryptocurrencies over the last 24 hours. The Midas Touch token is up 32.86% in the last 24 hours. Crypto.com's token, MCO, is up 31% in the last 24 hours. Quant, Ocean Protocol, Ren, Reserve Rights, all 13, 16, 19%. Even Chainlink doing really well at 12% up. So if you're looking for quick, massive growth in some of these altcoins, you're going to be wanting to watch Bitcoin and Ethereum prices, as well as the rest of the altcoins in the top 100. You're going to be wanting to do your research on every single one of these that you're expecting a nice price spike from. Listen, if you were to yesterday at this exact same time buy $1,000 worth of Crypto.com's token, you'd have $1,300. A 30% gain on your money in 24 hours is cash out opportunity. Thank you very much. I'll take my profits and go buy a beer. There's a balance between the main big players and altcoins. If you're in cryptocurrency and you're here to day trade, make money, keep mixing it up from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Chainlink, Swipe, Quant, whatever you're into, make sure you know why you're investing in that thing. Why do you think it's going to spike up? And take your profits as soon as you can. Don't try to aim for the top, because that's illogical to think that you can actually guess the peak. Take your profits, move it into the top 2, and wait for your next opportunity. So I want to know your opinion. Do you think I'm wrong about XRP? Should I be more bullish on XRP? And please, for the love of God, explain why, because I, for the life of me, can't figure it out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like on your way out, and we will see you back here tomorrow.